Hey there you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing my first Halloween tutorial, and it is inspired by it. This makeup in particular is inspired by Kaylee Mue, which I will leave her YouTube channel down below. She posted this on her Instagram actually. So yeah, funny enough, I've actually filmed the intro and the outro already, but I forgot to paint in my freaking nose. But here we go. But anyway, if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. So I'm starting off with outlining the it and the normal base, and you can use any brown shadow that you want. I used the one from the NYC, really old palette, but it did the job. Then I'm going in with my foundation. I'm using the Rimmel Elastic Finish foundation, and I'm putting that on the normal face or normal side of the face. For concealer, I'm using my Maybelline and my MAC Pro Longwear concealer, and I'm doing a mixture underneath my eyes, and I'm just gonna blend it out. Then to set everything, I'm using my PS Rice powder. I'm so close to finishing it, I can't wait. And for my eyebrows, I'm taking my ModelCo and Karl Lagerfeld pencil. Okay, to bronze up my face, I'm using my Sleek Face Form palette, and I'm using the bronze shade. And then for my blush, I'm using the Annabelle Minerals blush in the shade Rose. And for my highlight, I'm taking the Wet n Wild highlight in the shade Sweetest Bling. Time for the eyes, I'm taking the Naked Heat palette, and I'm going in the shade Sauce, and I'm using that as my transition shade. Then going into the shade Heat Devil, I'm placing that on the outer corner and into my crease, and I am building that shade up quite a lot because I want it to show up really well. Then going into the shade Fuego, and I'm putting that on the outer corner and into my crease because we're actually going to be doing a cut crease. So I'm building that up very much. And I'm going back into Heat Devil just to blend out the edges. Going in with my MAC concealer, I am just cutting the crease. And then to set everything, I'm taking the shade Ounce, and I'm just setting that concealer. Going in with the PS Liquid Glitter, I'm putting that on the whited out part of my eye. I'm drying it off, and then I'm just blending it out. Okay, I'm going into Sauce and Heat Devil, and I'm placing that on my lower lash line, and then I'm going to go into Fuego and put that on my lower lash line as well, but you can't see anything. For the rest of the eyes, I'm taking a black eyeliner, a mascara, and some lashes, and here we go. For the It face, I'm taking my Luna by Luna translucent powder, and I am literally pounding that on my face to make that white effect. I guess you gotta hustle when you don't have a white paint. Then I'm taking my Bang Beauty eyeliner, and I'm just outlining that, I guess, break between the normal face and the It face. This eyeliner was so shit, I threw it away afterwards. It didn't really work out that well, but you can use a better eyeliner if you have one. And then I'm going into my Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remaster palette, and I'm taking the shade Black Truffle, and I am intensifying that break. So I'm putting that wherever I had the brown and that eyeliner. And then I'm taking a big angled fluffy brush, and I'm just blending that down to make a lovely transition. Okay, then I'm taking my Essence Long Lasting eyeliner and I am intensifying that space between the normal side and the It side. Just intensifying that so that it's more prominent. Taking a little bit of the Rose Gold Remastered palette with their Black Truffle shade, and I'm just putting that on my eyes. On my upper lid and my lower lid, or not even lower lid, underneath my lash line, I guess. And then for eyebrows, I use the same eye pencil. Woo, food time! Then I'm taking my Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit lipstick. This is a lovely red shade. What I'm doing here is I am overlining my lips quite a lot because I wanted them to be super extra big. And I'm going to use the same lipstick to do the smile lines, I guess you would call them. But first, the lips. And using the liquid or the lipstick applicator, I am drawing out the laugh lines. It went a little bit thick, but yeah, I guess that's what you get. But next time when I practice, I think I'm gonna make it less thicker. But then I'm taking a lip brush and I'm just perfecting that smile line. And I'm also using the lip brush to connect the lips to that laugh line. And then onto the other side, this one is a lot more cleaner and a lot more thinner, but I'm using the applicator first, and then I'm gonna go into the lip brush to do it just to perfect it again. And for the nose, I'm using the same lip brush and I'm just doing a circle at the top of my nose and I'm just filling that in. So that is it, you guys. Took a while, to be honest, but it's definitely worth it and it's definitely effective. I've seen some other girls do like these kind of shadows, you know, when you pull and you take a picture like this, but I can't do those shadows, so I just skipped it. If you are more talented than me, go ahead, do those shadows, but if you're at the same level than me, or you know, kind of even at the beginner's level and you want to try this, this tutorial is for you. But anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. But yeah, thank you very much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.